Hi, I'm Roland with Impress Computers, and today we're going to be speaking about business owners and the mistakes that they make when they're expanding their business. One of the things that they do is say, we need a machine, and they go out and they buy a computer from a big box store. They're not really looking at the big picture, and the biggest mistake they make is what warranty are you going to have? So you may end up with a cheaper machine, the internal components are not what they should be. The big problem is when something goes wrong, how is that warranty going to be sorted out? If you buy it from a big box store, the chances are you're going to have to take it into them. They're going to send it off, and you're going to be without that computer for maybe up to 3 weeks. Can your business afford to be without your machine for 3 weeks? Most of our computers and laptops have 3-year warranties. If something goes down, our aim is to get you up and running the same day. We're going to do whatever we can to replace those components, get you up and running. So not only are you getting a 3-year warranty, you've got technicians in the back supporting you, sales guys are going to do the running around to make sure that your business stays up and running all the time. So if you want to improve your business, you're not wanting to worry about IT and let us take care of all those hassles for you, come on into Impress Computers and get peace of mind. I'm Roland with Impress Computers, 281-647-9977.